I'm here to show you how to change this heavy vector into this by using simplified tool in Adobe Illustrator and more. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use the simplified tool in Adobe Illustrator to clean up my vector and make it much easier to work with. So first of all, I want to select the object which I want to edit. As you can see, this shape has a lot of anchor points. Too many points make a shape hard to edit. So let's simplify it. For this you need to go to Object, Path and choose Simplify tool. This opens the Simplify panel. This tool helps Illustrator remove extra points for us. I keep Preview turned on so I can see the changes right away on the shape. I stop when the shape still looks the same, but feels cleaner and smoother. Now I click OK. Shape is simplified and much easier to edit. Let's compare before editing the same vector before editing and look how many anchor points it has. And I want to show you what else you can do with Simplify tool. So basically, you open the panel, you playing with the scrolls, and you should press the Convert to Straight Lines. Look with object you can create with your illustration. Look how sharp, dynamic. Yeah, it's definitely perfect tool for your prints, for your design, for all of your artworks. Look how stunning it looks like. Perfect. If this video helped you, so don't be shy to press like and subscribe on our channel, and more easy videos in Illustrator tips coming soon. Thank you for watching.